we do nothing, then our raw material, somebody calls it waste, I call it raw material, goes on the landfill and then is loosed. And then I can't answer the question how my grandchildren will have material to create modern computer, modern telephone equipment.
The EPP Group's Karl-Heinz Florenz, as the European Parliament's Environment Committee, adopted a package on waste management. It aims to tackle a growing danger to Europe's economy and environment, the failure to recycle and reuse end-of-life products piling up in landfills. Florenz was shadow rapporteur for the report.
We create a new model how European Union will handle our raw materials. Europe is not powerful in raw materials. We buy a lot of raw material outside, in Asia, wherever. And so we have to be careful in case of collecting and sorting our raw material, and that's what we have done in this proposal.
Europeans use an average 16 tons of material per person per year, of which 6 tons become waste, including valuable reusable materials like precious metals. The EU wants to turn more of it into a resource. The proposed EU directive aims to create a Europe-wide circular economy with binding targets to recycle things like electronic products and batteries. By 2030, EU countries will have to recycle at least 80% of their packaging waste. A lot of EU countries have a long way to go. While 6 of the EU 28 landfilled less than 3% of their municipal waste in 2011, 18 of them were landfilling more than half their waste. Some exceeded 90%. Florenz says shifting to a circular economy will mean new employment opportunities.
I think we will have a lot of more jobs in different levels, in scientific levels, in engineer level, in craftsman jobs. So I think it is a wide range of new jobs.
The EU's impact assessment says Europe could create 2 million jobs directly or indirectly from recycling by 2030, and that a circular economy makes Europe more competitive.
And here's another plus. Recycling electronic products like this mobile phone can help reduce the EU's dependence on imported raw materials. And that includes precious metals that are getting increasingly scarce. Find out more about the activities of the largest political force in Parliament by checking eppgroup.eu. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.